up, everybody? Vibes time. What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm out here having a good problem with the E46. Headlights are blinking. Take a look. Alright. Keeps blinking. Figure out the problem within the tail lights. There's a ground that's got burnt out. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it or to replace it, no? So stay tuned. Alright, you see how the tail lights on and the headlights are on, but once I make this fix, it will be gone. Alright, so you can see, look at the terminal. Right here is all messed up. Focus, focus, focus. You see that? Kind of burnt out. Yeah, so that's basically the problem. So what I'm gonna do, this brown wire right here, this is the one that's messed up. I'm gonna pull it out and then jump that. And then connect that to right here, which is a ground. And then everything else should be working fine, and that should cut out the problem. Because basically, the problem is that is not a good ground connection, and being that this terminal is burnt out, that should fix the problem. That's just a temporary fix what I'm going to do right now, but anytime I do get you said like a pigtail from a different car that's fixed, I will do that and then figure a way, see why it's burnt out. But it seemed to be a flaw with BMW, because this is not the only BMW with this problem. So yo, let me continue on. Now on the next side is the same thing. You see how the inside here is burnt out? Now look on this one. Focus, focus. Is burnt out as well. So I gotta do it on both sides and there's some problem. So stay tuned. Alright, this is pretty much everything I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use these the spade connectors. I got some heat shrink and the wire I'm gonna use to jump the ground. Right now I can't hold the camera and do it, so I'm gonna do it, come back, show you how it looks, then connect it up, and yeah, job well done. Shouldn't take you that long to get this done and taken care of, so yo, stay tuned. Can't do this with two hands, but you see this brown wire right here, same one where the connector is burnt. I'm gonna cut that as close to the connector as possible, so I have enough wire to work with. Copy? Copy. Alright, so basically, here's the brown wire, and we jumped it with this. Look, electric tape, temporary fix for right now. And then we're basically gonna take this and connect it to this piece right here. So my ground is jumped. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I will try. Yo, this is a little difficult with the one hand. Hold on. Alright, so here we go. So that's connected. You can run back, see? This is the ground right here. Running through this, so this is grounded. The original wire is cut right here. I showed you previously, so the connector is burnt inside. Then you just have to basically push that back in and we're done. Simple thing. Alright, so same thing on this side. Little electric tape on this connector. The ground is sorted out. Basically, this is probably could do this one with one hand. I kind of mess with it, but you know. Okay, not as easy as I thought with the one hand situation. This is too far. Y'all basically understand how to plug in a connector. Y'all need to actually see me do it. Alright, everything wrap up and connected on this side. Looking good. Let me put this back in. Call it a day. Yeah man, that's a one hand job, so I had to use two hands to put this back together. And that's to make sure this keeps on set. Alright. Lights are working. I'm about to go to the front, see if we got that blinking going on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. E46 is back and we're ready. Ding 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 ding. Yeah man. Stay tuned for more video coming up.